Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your SIEM with Splunk easy tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your SIEM with Splunk, start by backing up your existing data. Ensure you have the latest version of Splunk available for upgrade. Log into your Splunk instance with administrative privileges. Navigate to the settings menu in the upper right corner. Select licensing to review your current license status. Confirm that your license supports the new version you plan to install. Next, download the latest version of Splunk from the official website. Choose the appropriate installer for your operating system. Before installation, review the release notes for any important changes. Now, stop the Splunk service to prepare for the upgrade. For Linux, open a terminal and run the command to stop Splunk. For Windows, use the Service Manager or command prompt to stop the service. Once the service is stopped, run the downloaded installer. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to complete the upgrade. Ensure you select the option to preserve your existing configuration settings. After the installation completes, start the Splunk service again. Log into the Splunk interface to verify that the upgrade was successful. Check the version listed on the dashboard to confirm it matches the latest release. Review your existing dashboards and configurations for any necessary adjustments. Consider running a few searches to ensure everything is functioning properly. Monitor system performance and logs after the upgrade for any issues. If you encounter problems, consult the Splunk documentation or support community. With these steps, you have successfully upgraded your SIEM with Splunk. Enjoy the enhanced features and capabilities of your new version. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.